Hi, I am Koushik and I am from Salem, Tamil Nadu. I have always been passionate about academics and I have an excellent academic score during my school days. That led to me the one of the top rated engineering colleges in the country, the College of Engineering Indi, Chennai, where I did my BE in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. During my college years, I have developed a keen interest in digital electronics and programming, and I always wanted to work in the field where software and hardware come together. My college offered both the application software and core electrical engineering opportunities, but I wanted to work in a field in which the hardware will be controlled by a software. As Picasso famously said, art is an elimination of the unnecessary. Likewise, for me, other than the embedded system, all others were unnecessary only. With that focus in my mind, I joined Emertxe to further my knowledge and skills. At Emertxe, the experience has been very well with the hands-on training. Added to that, project presentation session, the quality of teaching and the support from the mentors were outstanding. And also, I have get the spot awards in the class level. My mentors noticed my dedication and assigned me extra projects other than the regular coursework. This requires efficient time management in order to juggle between both the regular coursework and the project works. I also have a habit of reading extensively about embedded systems, referring various books and websites. I have solved and practiced more problems on websites like LeetCode, HackerRank and Geeks for Geeks, which upgraded my skills to the next level. Almost I have done 12 projects and written 15,000 lines of code, which boosted my confidence in the embedded systems. At the Qualcomm interview, these things were helped me to crack the selection process at Qualcomm. I chose Emertxe because of my passion towards the embedded system and it has a rewarding journey. My advice to juniors is do some background research about the embedded systems and the opportunities it offers. Finally, I want to thank Emertxe and the mentors and the placement team and student counselors for their supporting and guidance.